What's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you my 3-step affiliate marketing method that you can use to start making anywhere between $20 to over $150 per day with affiliate marketing just by working for a couple of minutes per day. So even if you are a complete beginner with zero skills, with zero experience, who never made a single cent online before, just by watching this video from beginning to the end, you will know exactly the process that you can use to start getting your first results, your first sales, and perhaps this may be the right video for you to start your journey. Now, this will work anywhere in the world, requires literally zero investment. All you need to do is just your laptop and an internet connection, and you can get started in just a couple of minutes after watching this video. Also, if you want to learn the exact same process that I'm using to make over $6,000 per month with affiliate marketing without showing my face anywhere on the internet, without using this YouTube channel or any of my social media, and I'm still getting results just like this every single month, subscribe this channel. Okay guys, so even if you are a complete beginner and want to start doing affiliate marketing, first of all, what you need to do is grab yourself an account on an affiliate marketplace. Some of the easiest for the beginners are, for example, jvzoo.com or warriorplus.com, or you can also use websites like ClickBank or Digistore24. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple process that you can start doing with an offer from Digistore24. I want you to go exactly for this platform in today's video because the exact offer I'm going to give you is on Digistore24. So if you're going to be following this video through, just go to Digistore24 and click on register now to get your free account. If you are a complete beginner, all you need to do is choose your public username, fill in your email address, choose a very strong password, and then in this section where it says the main source of revenue, you want to select, I mainly promote products of other providers, because you are not going to be selling anything on Digistore yet. I mean, later down the road, if you want to do so, I would greatly encourage you to do that. But now, especially if you are brand new to affiliate marketing, you want to select mainly promote products of other providers. Then just click on, I have read this B2B contract and privacy policy to accept them, and then click on continue. Then just fill in a bunch of personal information, and you will get your free account. Once you get that, just log right into it by pressing this button right here. Then just go straight to the affiliate marketplace, and what you want to do is choose one of these niches that you want to promote. Obviously, you can go for any of these that you feel comfortable going with, but in today's video, we are going with jobs and employment. If you've been to any affiliate marketplace before, you can see that there are many different niches that you can go with. Some of them are more profitable than others, some of them are more popular than others. But some of the best-selling niches of every time are going to be health and fitness, relationships, and money. So pretty much jobs can be classified under making money sections. So that's the reason why it's going to be working very well. And the exact affiliate offer I want you to go for is this social media freelance jobs. Now, one of the reasons why this is so powerful, especially for beginners, is because once you're going to be promoting this, you will receive 85% lifetime recurring commission on a $27 monthly subscription. So pretty much for each successful sale of this product, you will be getting paid 85% commission of a $27 product. That means you will be getting $22.95 every single month for each successful sale of this product. So even if you are going to start with a couple of dollars per day, for example, you will get 20 in one day or $20 in a single week. Over time, this can scale up to a couple of $100s per day, so that's just one of the reasons why I highly recommend going for this product as a complete beginner. Another is because if you're going to go to their sales page, you can see that this is like an offer promoting social media marketing jobs. Now, this is a very popular niche, especially right now where everybody wants to work from home. So if you're going to be promoting this offer, you will have a very easy time getting traffic to the sales page. And every time somebody is going to join this program and purchase a subscription, you're going to get paid. Now, another reason why I want to go exactly for this product is because if you are going to go to the affiliate page, you can see that this program is currently converting on one sale out of every 40 to 50 visitors of cold traffic. So literally, people who never thought of getting this program, if they are going to come to the sales page, 1 out of every 50 is probably going to make a sale. So you can see, out of every 200 clicks you're going to get to the sales page, you can expect 4 to 6 sales. Now, if you're going to do the math on that real quick, imagine you will send 2,000 clicks to this page. So that's 2,000 people coming to the sales page divided by 200. That equals 10 sales. And if you're going to multiply it by the commission, which is $22.95, that equals to almost $230 that you can make in a single day. So pretty much to start promoting this offer, what you want to do is click on Promote Now. You will have a Promote Now button. Then you want to get your affiliate link, just copy it and save it somewhere where you will be able to access it later. text, for example, into a notepad or somewhere so you can close Digistore 24, or you can keep Digistore opened and come back to grab it later. Then what you want to do is go to this website right here that's called Canva.com. Just go to Canva, and what you want to search for is Pinterest pin. Just type it in the search bar, hit enter, and you get to choose from all of these templates, or you can create one from scratch. Now pretty much what I highly recommend is going for one of these templates. For example, this one would work very well, but you can see down here that this one is paid. So obviously, if you don't want to be investing any money into this, for example, if you don't want to be paying for Canva Pro, you can try a free trial to do that. But if you don't have access to the free trial, what you want to do is choose from one of the templates that are free. To speed up the choosing process, just go to the filters, and all the way down here, you can filter by free. Click on apply, and now we will see only templates that are free to use. So what you want to go for is one that's going to be easy to edit to promote the jobs. For example, this one right here that's completely free because there's no display button down here, and it's already promoting something about 10 ways to make money online. So I'm just going to choose that one, click on customize this template. And pretty much what you want to do here on Canva is just a couple of simple things. If you choose the right template, all you need to do is just change a little bit of text. For example, this text, I'm going to change it into jobs and freelance jobs. Then I'm going to place a text box. You can get the text box right here in this toolbar on the left, add a subheading, drag it onto the poster, and I'm going to write in there, get paid $100 per day. I'm also going to change the color of this text to match the color of the top one, and I'm going to do it by pressing this button and choose this one. Okay, and pretty much you can see it's not very visible. So what I'm going to do is go to Elements. I'm going to look for this square shape, drag it over the text, and you need to stretch it so it's going to cover the entire text just like this. But don't worry, because you will be able to see this text once you do this simple trick. All you need to do is just change the color of this square to, let's say, black. And just like that, you can see this text plainly and clearly. Now, pretty much with a simple poster like this, what you want to do is go ahead and create multiple of these mini designs. For example, in 5 minutes, you can literally create 5 of these posters with different designs very easily on Canva for free. And once you do that, pretty much just go to this share button, and you want to download this to your computer. So just click on download as PNG because you don't want to be downloading this as an MP4 or any video format. Just download this as a PNG. And once you do that, all you need to do is just drive traffic to the poster that's going to be somewhere near your affiliate link. And every time somebody wants to apply for these freelance jobs that you have created posters of, they'll be taken to the sales page, which is going to be doing all the selling for you. And all you have to do is just post these posters in the right places with the affiliate link so you can grab the attention of whoever is going to be looking for this job. I'm going to show you 2 of the best places to do this, and one of them is Pinterest. Pretty much just go to Pinterest, and if you don't have an account yet, just sign up for one. It takes just a couple of minutes, and it's completely free. Once you come to Pinterest, what you want to do is click on Create a Pin, and now you want to upload the post that you have created. Upload it to Pinterest. Then just go to this title, and you want to write there something like Top 10 Freelance Jobs in 2023. Then just go to this section where it says, tell everyone what your opinion is about, and then write a short description, something like, check out some of the best paying freelance jobs in 2023. You will not believe what number 6 is. Now, if you're going to input some clickbaity sentence just like this, you can slightly increase traffic to your affiliate link because obviously it is a cliche that's been pretty much overused, but for some people it's still working. So just pretty much go ahead and include it in there if you want to. Then what you want to do in this destination link, you want to paste your affiliate link. So just go ahead and grab it and paste it in there just like that. And pretty much this is done. This is all the work that you have to do on a daily basis. Then just click on publish and it is going to get posted. It will start getting traffic, driving it to your affiliate link. And every time somebody's going to make a purchase, you're going to get paid. Now, one of the reasons why I want to create multiple of these posters is to increase the chance of getting more people to your affiliate link. Now, the other place where you can do this, another good source of traffic for a post like this, what you can do is go to Facebook, go to the search bar, and you want to look for freelance job. You can just go ahead and post into these groups like, check out this top 10 freelance jobs in 2023. You can even use the same exact poster that you have posted on Pinterest to make your post a little bit more interesting. And you can see these groups are getting an insane amount of followers. For example, this one has almost 200,000 people following this simple group. This one has over 250,000 followers. So if you're going to do this for a couple of these groups, you're definitely going to see some traffic. And for every sale of this product, you will earn 85% lifetime recurring commission, which can scale up to over $275 per sale once somebody's going to purchase this entire funnel. You can start just by making a couple of dollars, like $20 per day or per week. But over time, if you're going to do this enough, you can be able to chill making hundreds per day just by doing this. And this is just one of the very beginning friendly affiliate marketing tutorials, and I hope you enjoyed it. So if you did, make sure to smash the like button if you haven't already. And if you want to see some more money making content, try checking out this video right here. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you next time.